In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Smartsheet view only. Whether you're collaborating within your own team or sharing critical information with external partners, it's important to ensure that people can access the data they need without the ability to make any changes. This keeps your information safe while still allowing for collaboration and input when necessary. So, let's dive into the steps to accomplish this. First, make sure you're logged into your Smartsheet account and have the sheet you want to share open on your screen. You'll notice there is a Share button located conveniently in the top right corner of the interface. This button is crucial because it serves as the gateway for setting up permissions and sharing your sheet with others. Click on this button to begin the process. Now that the sharing window is open, you'll need to decide who will have access to this view-only sheet. In the appropriate field, enter the email address of the person you wish to share the sheet with. If you're working within a larger organization or have pre-established groups, you can also choose to select a group from your directory. Remember, the people you choose to share this with can be either internal team members or external partners, as long as they have a Smartsheet account. This is an excellent feature that allows for expansive collaboration while maintaining the security and integrity of your data. Once you've determined who will receive access, the key step is to assign them the correct permission level. This is where Smartsheet's viewer permission becomes incredibly helpful. By selecting the viewer permission, you're effectively granting the recipient read-only access. This means they will have full visibility of your data. They can see all content within the sheet, but everything remains secure and unchanged. As a viewer, users won't be able to make edits, which includes altering any data, adding comments, or repositioning columns and rows. Essentially, they get a comprehensive overview without the risk of accidental or unwanted modifications. It's a perfect balance between transparency and control. This process helps maintain the integrity of your work while still fostering collaborative opportunities and information sharing. Remember, the key to effective collaboration is making sure everyone has access to the needed information without jeopardizing its quality and accuracy. Viewing permissions in Smartsheet are a practical choice when you want to protect your data, yet still want insights from others. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a Smartsheet to be view-only. I hope this helps you maximize your collaborative efforts while keeping your data safe and sound. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more helpful tips and guides.